The natural beauty of Alaska can be deceiving. The climate is often harsh, and in winter the daylight is scarce. That means major energy cost when it comes to heating and lighting. Thanks to some creative thinking and a state-of-the-art energy management control system, Joint Base Elmendorf-Richardson, or JBER, has some impressive energy intensity reduction numbers compared to their 2005 baseline. Nearly 45% energy intensity reduction.
It makes me very proud that JBER is one of the 3 Air Force bases to be recognized this way. Not only because it shows that the civil engineer group has done a good job in promoting and marketing, which we've done through Facebook and briefings and the marquee signs, but really that the entire JBER community has embraced this and taken this whole initiative of energy reduction as their own.
A high-tech energy management control system is a big contributor to the base's energy savings. The system remotely controls the heating and air conditioning systems in more than 110 buildings. One of the reasons it's so effective is JBER hired an EMCS analyst who focuses all her time on finding energy savings.
Some days I'm analyzing data with gas invoices or trying to look at metering data for electrical, going out to job sites and looking at data plates, talking to facility managers, going on the EMCS and changing programming, analyzing the trend data.
One of the first things Ms. Boyce did was to meet with each building's facility manager.
And all of them were really receptive on what I had to say, and they worked with me on trying to find different ways to help their individual buildings, because not every building is the same. The relationship with the facility managers has made a huge impact on how the EMCS works. By them contacting me whenever they have people coming in unexpected and they need the building to run longer or over the weekend, they'll contact me and I'll change the scheduling for them.
The EMCS Analyst Program paid for itself in less than 1 year by significantly reducing energy and natural gas consumption. There are now 110 buildings on the system, and it's currently saving $500,000 a year in energy costs. It takes a lot of energy to light offices, high bay maintenance facilities, and hangars, so Resource Efficiency Manager Francis Sheridan made some changes, which makes life a little easier for workers.
Before the lighting was typically old metal halide or high pressure sodium. The quality of the light was very poor. By putting in the better lighting, it's more energy efficient. And from their perspective, it just provides much better lighting. It helps them do their job. And of course, on a military base, that's the most important thing we do, is to support the mission.
Motion sensors on the lights also make a big difference.
In some settings, people are very good about turning lights off when unneeded, and others not so good. By using motion sensors, we've automated that process, and which is found to be more reliable than depending on human behavior.
A Facebook page helps with the base's energy awareness campaign, and a marquee at the entrance to the base also helps get the word out. With sunshine nearly 20 hours per day in the summer, a member of the energy team looks for outdoor lights which shouldn't be on. To reduce water, the base is repairing and replacing miles of aging pipes. But the water supply comes from a reservoir right on the property.
It comes down from the Chugach Mountains. Some of it's direct precip. A lot of it is snow melt. It goes into a reservoir. We're very lucky we have a bountiful supply of very clean fresh water here.
And that makes it easier to monitor and control water usage on base. JBER is continuing to look for new ways to reduce energy usage. Radiant heating in high bay facilities, retro-commissioning of existing buildings, and an LED streetlight project are all currently underway. In August of 2012, JBER began testing and evaluation of the first landfill gas-to-energy project in the state of Alaska. The project is expected to reach full operational capability in January of 2013. It will supply about 26% of the base's electric load and could become one of the largest renewable energy producers in the Air Force. The future of energy at JBER includes tapping into Alaska's wealth of renewable energy sources as the base looks to continue to reduce energy costs while continuing to be fiscally responsible.
We also have some potential with both on-site and off-site wind development. And the thing that's the furthest away, downstream chronologically, is tidal energy. The tidal range here is about 30 feet, which puts us right up there. And right off on the Air Force side, Cairn Point, that kind of juts out into Cook Inlet. That site right there is considered one of the best candidate sites in the world for tidal generation.
It's important for the Air Force to reduce its energy and water usage because as an arm of the United States government, it is important for us to be good stewards of the taxpayer dollars.